In today's video, I'm going to show you how to downgrade the Brave browser safely and correctly. Whether you're dealing with bugs after a recent update, running into compatibility issues with extensions, or you simply prefer an older, more stable version, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Before making any changes, the first thing you should do is back up your data. Open your Brave browser and go to your sync settings or your bookmark manager. Take a moment to confirm that your bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing data are properly synced or exported. This step is extremely important because uninstalling or reinstalling the browser can lead to data loss if it's skipped, so take your time here and make sure everything is backed up or synced correctly. Once your data is secure, the next step is to uninstall your current version of Brave. On Windows, open the Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, locate Brave in the list, and uninstall it. On macOS, you can drag Brave from the Applications folder to the trash. If you're using Linux, remove it using your system's package manager. Before uninstalling, make sure Brave is completely closed. This helps avoid leftover processes that could interfere with the installation later. It's also a good idea to temporarily disable automatic updates so the browser doesn't reinstall the latest version again without your permission. After that, open your browser and go to the official Brave GitHub releases page. This page contains older versions of Brave that you can download. Scroll through the available releases and choose the version you want. Be sure to download the correct file for your operating system to avoid compatibility issues. Once the download is complete, install the older version just like you would any normal application. Follow the setup instructions, and when the browser opens, sign back into your account or restore your data if needed. This will bring back your bookmarks, settings, and saved information. At this point, it's recommended to turn off automatic updates inside Brave. This prevents it from updating itself again and undoing your downgrade. You can always turn updates back on later when you're ready. After installation, take a moment to test everything. Open a few tabs, check your extensions, and make sure everything is working the way you expect. This quick check helps confirm that the version you installed is stable and suitable for your needs. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can downgrade the Brave browser smoothly and avoid common issues along the way. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.